Bridgeport's Easy Lock Snap-in connectors for MC cable, 38 ASP, 39 ASP, 74 ASP. 3 single-barrel double snap connectors take a wide range of MC cable from healthcare facility to FMC conduit to traditional MC, and also the newer MC all-purpose aluminum with the oversized bonding wire. Available in duplex. Let me show you how easy it is to install. Bridgeport's snap-in connector has 2 raised tabs, 4 tabs for cable entry for good secure bonding and grounding and uniform support. Load the connector. The Bridgeport logo and the UL bug identify where one of the 2 raised tabs are located. Insert one of the tabs inside the knockout and listen for that significant snap. To remove, and I'll face the camera, to remove, press one of the raised tabs and then raise that tab back up. Oops, excuse me. And it's ready for installation.
Wow, that's
to
nice.
remove the connector, unscrew, inspect it, make sure it's good for reusability. Bridgeport's single barrel connectors are available in lock nut style and snap-in style.
I don't know what that is, but I want it.
Also duplex connectors
PVC coated MC. He sells the fitting.
are available with an abandonment plug for future use. Joe, thanks for coming to the Bridgeport Fittings booth.
Thank you.